Season 4, 5 small books you can read in less than half a day to transform your practice. And what if you knew success principles that allowed you to be more efficient, more effective, to have confidence, certainty, belief? What if you knew that there were 15 easily implementable and applicable success principles to become a successful chiropractor, to have more, to be more, to serve more, to impact more? Reading books, and this is just such a simple book, it's small, 100 odd pages, but it's like support the major disciplines within your profession equally, just simple principles like that. Be persistent, be reminded to have fun, really accessible, easy content by a great writer. Now this is an older book, but really, we've got to know this stuff and remind ourselves, dip ourselves regularly in small books with principles that are going to change our lives and practices, which is why I love the idea of a small book phenomena. At the end of this video series, I'm going to share with you a video I think is going to blow your mind to understand the distinction between writing a book and writing a small book and serving your community with a small book phenomena. So watch the end of these videos and I'll see you with an amazing offer.